Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you 32 inches adjustable desk that I think it could be really good for multiple scenarios. For example, I have my big desk over here with my setup, but sometimes I do like to work on my laptop right here, like on my big laptop, and I don't want to connect that everything right here on the main monitors because sometimes I just get tired of working in the same place. So having this gives me the chance to actually expand and work somewhere else if I want, but also it's super good for like home office when you're working kind of like just sitting all day or something like that and having the chance to have those meetings while standing or just having one of those like treadmills or walking pads or something like that, and just kind of like walking or just jogging or doing some cardio and just kind of like, I want to say, avoiding to be sitting all day. Sometimes it's really good. And if you don't have one of those like electric standing desks or something like that, this could be a really good option. So this one is 32 inches. There's no assemble. I have to say that the assemble is just so minimal. You put kind of like this part attached with the base, which is really thick and heavy, and then the keyboard tray that I'm going to show you in a few seconds on a close-up. And that's pretty much it. That's everything that you need to put together. It is really firm and stable. You can see that I can put my laptop over here, but I can also put like a monitor if I want, and just my keyboard here, and even one of those like big curved 32-inch monitors. I don't think that this is gonna be super good for anything above the 32-inch monitor, but 32 inches is actually pretty big. So as I was telling you before, this is super good for those situations, but I do want to show you that you can actually adjust the height that goes from the 5 inches to the 16 inches, whatever you want. So you can actually see that I have a handle right here on the right. So I'm going to press it. I'm going to lower a little bit. Then I just drop the handle and that's it. Now it is locked right now on that height that I wanted, or a little bit more. And now it's locked right there. Or I can just put it down to the bottom part, which is the 5 inches I was telling you before, and just using this to work as a regular desk anywhere I want. And as you can see over here, it has a place for the keyboard, like a keyboard tray. And it also has a place right here to put your cell phone if you want, or your tablet if you want as well. So that's actually kind of good because you can actually do this or put your cell phone in portrait or landscape mode, or your table, and just use it as a second screen if you want. But let me show you one more time how easy it is. It comes with this handle right here, this hydraulic handle. So you can just lift it and it's going to be all the way to the top to those 16 inches, or just one more time, put it back in the other mode, the 5 inches mode. Super nice and easy. I think this is really good for home office and just for taking this to some other rooms if you want, or if you need to just switch places or stand a little bit, and having the chance to be sitting and standing at the same time with two different setups, or the same setup if you have a laptop. I like it. It is really good. It's super easy to use and assemble in like probably 10 minutes, no more than that. And it's super convenient to have as well. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.